Shatawale ede ne ho koka in ruwa kakra but o se ye watene rem ache obafie na se ye de ne ho koteye na o si ofi social media and come back we ne de ayoja o se fireman na abusuafo na nsen nsem fa ne ho oni road contractor bia wakọ frani ma boys bi ni nsem bebe ma che opa ba e ma dwubro tese bibia adwo na de Shatawale ama ne ho so abrant o de na asema kọ ne so enya obi ase yenye bra ya de nyina glass nko ahwefo 1 minute bia ban ba sinnamu tese we are from free me kire Twini Jonas o kire ba Twini Jonas se wonte ne nka onu ne ye frɛ ne Shatawale se waso sabe wa foforo na wo foforo fa mba ne so wan hwa wo obekum simple e wo social media obeye o dead obema carry ewu na woti wana wudi dwuma na sabe sika wunya enu ti ne waka abrochi ebusuafo ensam ne dos ne nyina ye contractor sem ene nam so meye abrante Twini Jonas ede na no ekokotum na mensai mre no ye nhwe anase yentie ensam Twini Jonas kan ya enam so ene atrigger Shatawale ne buwafu dedenden no
mo de ma jimi kura adodo ena ayi akwakwase akura first Shatawale o se hwan no wo jimi Ghana mpanimfo anya kwan ni na nyame adom mo ye kwan a na won kwase animu asesa boys no se o monko distract boys na ye ka kwan no menye bi ominim si wajimi ena wonim ena ho tew de na jimi na efri na komenya nkwase asem sa biu hwefom people bi anto monka chance mani nyimi sa biu basia oba kromu asia Kanye West mo omo donate millions of dollars coronavirus buy Kanye West my buying bear $5 million to so
Wayne nsama abrante Shatawale ekan ya ne buafu ne ho ochire ma David Jonas ono Shatawanya kwalasa industry no be mache amanema nenti ne wondu nti wontimi fa nanim sabe embeye eye FM nana ewo ahoma no so na emema we okame no with Shatta any Jonas ntukwai Jonas ro ne ahemfo nya woni Ghana nyina enya wo Shatta na oba be nana akwaba
mini aba me jusu bebre
say the beef na kwakodu eye Jonas ene Shatawale nti na before answer na mema wo abemu no when nsama abrante Shatta etro ya amanfo ochire ma da bi o say you think you talk sense ama go ask that your village friends who started this on social media. I buried them alive on this same place you are today. Don't fuck with Shatawale. Don't F with Shatawale. Cause I am the only person to get you there on social media. And also to or say some fools think you have a life, but all you do there can't get you back home. Cause you are frustrated. So Jimmy in Kwa. Twini Jonas, your mother, in fact, your father. No, I'm true. And I say, let me teach you how to use social media to make sense. Village dust enter your brain. Say, Shatta no watch my Twini Jonas. Sabi I join the TV. Truck kunitrim. Be a munso no. Onam hono why frustrated. Unisika odeba Ghana. Ntikasa ningi na yeso wakasana Ghana fuwa hunimobo. Wansho ya. Obekuno ewo social media. Senu odi aye ebinum.
Yeah, so in Chaka saying committee for you know, this is actually yes a should be story, but this is in regards to Ghana Yumpuntu. Now, in a way, Shatawale, also the dancer king, one of and arguably the most talented musicians in Ghana, no, Asema Okano, and now what he did, he was right in a way. Now, at the same time,
contractor issue.
Yes, he was right in a way. Maybe true. At the same time, too, what Twini Jonas is saying too, he is also right in a way. And these are two huge Ghanaians. They've amassed following on social media to say, move me now Ghana ne pape. Now, papa, chadie. What am I saying? Muna muye nuanom. Ena wama firstborn be. We second born, wama third born be. Do you believe you deserve some or not?
I have every right to Obama be.
Good. Inti Shatawale or a musician. Yes, we share 2016. MPP uses Kakai song for a year as election song, a anti-election theme song. Omu yusu Kakai. Almost say yes. And NDC so yusu
freedom.
Mahama paper.
And
freedom. So this guy has contributed his quota to the national and I say the anything in regards to politics and I say governance. Oshaka president who invited him and a plaque and in an HS he's actually done well in regards to the ministry and I say a song a song ministry because you impact.
Entertainment industry.
Good. Now, sir, papa ya kwan na osi some year kwan ma extend aba me block me fie ni mungu kota na mfam bra nima. To me, I don't think say wrong. Shatawale onye Ghanaian nana.
He's a Ghanaian.
E kwan na omo ye na omanye ne ho no. I didn't know omanye ne ho. Onu onye nipa. No omo ye ja na 10 years time be ya na 5 years time. He and every Ghanaian deserves to call out the government and say, yenye omo kwan. To call out the government and say, fix gutters. Look at the taxes we pay. Look at the taxes we pay on things. Omo kwaye movie and I say video clip cry. With him tax omo tuya. Taking people. Omo tuya editors. Omo tuya videographers. Omo tuya. They are contributing. Let me tell you something. A man for Kasi Shatawale greedy. He's not greedy. Shatawale ye concert. The Dome. Do you know so or ye concert not turn ticket? Odim say GRFO be jina ho. Good. GRFO jina ho. Say ticket not all turn 20,000. Omo 20,000 tax on every ticket. It is a government charges 17.5% on every item or turn tickets no 35 cedis ye yimu 17.5%. Ekwa Ghana Revenue Authority. What you must see, and that's an easy find money for them for GRA and Ghana. Inti scanner GRA for gen ekwa wine coffee small. Isn't Shatawale doing more? Na Shatawale okase on your concert ni biem.
Says kana shiro.
Na or ye online ya. Online look find ya discano. He's doing it and at the same time Ghana ye nya ho fa so. In Shatawale lo di cancer obekase. Ekwa na mo ye no. Mo extended by me block. Meanwhile, the mistake he did was the way and manner. They be ameka. You have a case, but the way you present your case is very crucial. Shatawale, you spoke to the contractor the first time, or say he can't go above or beyond his authority and beyond the akache and so on. Yeah, here. Over 3.1 million followers on Twitter. Over getting to 5 million followers on Instagram, Facebook. The bobo. What man say? What stop you from doing a simple
live
good? What stop you from doing a simple video? What's wrong or now why a video? It's here for my fans. See, the system know they work. You see my road, they do road for you, they do. Master, your baby, you quite a man.
Fix Shatawale's road.
A bit trendy. Within 1 day, the minister will tell Shatawale, your road is getting cool. Because what Shatawale is doing is that all cast the system is not working. Even if MPP should lose 40,000 Shatawale fans, or more cast 1 year down soaking, 20 voting mamma. To go against them. A ban election, every vote counts. That is why a ban election, that is time amount for a demand by a crime be see toilet. One kokasa election power pay. Okay, say election be no be a crying any yes, massa. Because election power pay, you need I just said 4 years
after
time.
Election to no campaign.
So Shatawale, what you did to me was the best. But the way and manner you presented your case. Why would you send tax or call your boys to go and abuse a contractor? He's only a contractor. He's been sent on assignment. You see, kwaye A to D. Meanwhile, kwaye A to F. Do you think? D. What am I say? He's under somebody. It's like one of small boys from Shawasiya. One more major say, your friend is saying, me videos are a war post it on YouTube. Don't give it to any platform. Normal postiama other people. Would you fire them on? Because they are not going to the specific rules you've given to them. Okay. And you know that. Will you even sack them? You know, contractor is just a contractor. I am man Juma so on your no soon confession. I say. What am I say? So he can't go beyond and above something. Now, on that same vein, let's also go to Chini Jonas. Chini Jonas, Kasi Shatawale, why won't you make the road work yourself? Fine. Now Chini Jonas, Kasi. Okwa Abucha, Kanye West near that they've donated millions. Jay-Z donated millions to charity near there. Shatawale does donation. Me need this Shatawale way back. He has done a lot of donation. Oko social media, but donate my police for that is when the police went. I'm going to try pictures because I couldn't see your bread. I couldn't see a block in my. I couldn't break provisions. Oko China then. Government in fear. So you see, I'm going to try pictures. So Shatawale has done donations. Meanwhile, Shatawale too can do something a bit like as a leadership by example. Now, if Shatawale Echa video say government is doing the road, but they've not done man. No one can say the contractors. Does it spoil anything? It doesn't spoil anything. Or we are not near Shatawale streets. Near she Ojan and now Obi Obabe General say Shatawale, take your name from there. No, one yet on one why not yet. He's foots the bills. That doesn't give him authority to put his name on. But the see what as time is there. Until the government will come and take it off or do another road, his name will forever be on that street, Shatawale Street. He could have done it. That is why in Pempi, I'm forcing Nigeria for Nigeria ni ent now say Buhari Mbeye Kwine. Oh yeah, 200 million people. Oh no, jail. So what they are doing is on one of our contract and we lay your gutters. So you are not the DSO or Segun Road 1.
Obasanjo.
Pen baby afa. No be so from the end to on end. No also the see Imeka Ike Road Street 1. Shatawale, nothing stopped you from doing anything. But these two guys on DSC, you know, I don't think it's going to bring anything better. Because Shatawale has been a person who has been singing and he's a street vocalist. Street vocalist, but just say he's a person who champions freedom and things in regards to Ghana for your freedom, your politics, near the what man say, he's done extremely well. Okay. On the other hand, Trini Jonas in Ama MPs be a parliament in term or cast the system is not working. Ama MPs you see why or more cry backdoor they are seeing the system is not working and now they are at least making the system a little bit work. So both of these gentlemen are good. In some Chinjona say can you okay. In some Shatawale so can you okay. They shouldn't really fight because fighting will bring nothing. Okay. So to me, these are guys. Munja into Kwana boom. If you have one vocal voice, Ghana will change. Imagine say Asra Nopa media for a case president, we like you, but you need to fix ABC. Parliamentarians, we like you, but you need to fix ABC. Media, AKB. Footballers, AKB. Musicians, AKB. Ahimfu, AKB. Everybody is saying it. Do you think they will do it or not?
They will.
Good. It's like a similar time. I think BBC CA, and they called on the government. You saw say they attend be a friend disaster funds. Maybe or must save for emergency, so they can shift money and do these things. Across the Circle Dubai, the Circle in Semi-AC, that was what triggered the Circle Dubai thing. Because it killed people. It's that June 3rd disaster. So they've done all the road. Because that single act saved a trigger amount for mama, a trigger government yes, Circle Dubai, I'm gonna save millions and that flood and every year amount for. Yes.
Okay, Inti Jonas, one shata, munyai melede no wati ase, goviki na ata abem, na monka montuma mum, na monfa mo voice no, embuana, o manyi, inti minkonenim.